used to think advocacy was about mastering facts and figures and becoming a policy wonk. Turns out, that just makes you unbeatable at trivia night. But then I started doing disability advocacy in Florida, and the reality is humans just aren't built for spreadsheets or data dumps. You can throw a statistic at someone, and it'll vanish before you've even left the room. But tell them a story, and suddenly they're alert and engaged. Well, guess what? The legislators in Tallahassee are no different. They don't remember numbers. They remember people. That's why I joined Florida Voices for Health. I advocate around disability services, Medicaid, and access to health care that actually works when you need it, not just what sounds good in a committee hearing. I fight to eliminate wait lists for disability services that last longer than some marriages, and coverage gaps that only make sense if you've never actually been in one. Policies that assume everyone is young and healthy, instead of older or sick or permanently disabled. Before I ever went to the Capitol with Florida Voices for Health, they helped me turn my lived experience into something lawmakers could actually hear. Beforehand, they prepped me on who I was meeting and how to tell my story in a way that landed, without turning it into a drama TED Talk. During the visit, they handled all the logistics for me. Where to go, who was late, who was actually listening. That meant I could focus on explaining what life looks like when you have to depend on a system that can't be depended on. After the visit, Florida Voices for Health stays involved. Follow-ups, strategy, making sure the story didn't just live in the room and die in the hallway. Advocacy isn't just a one-time thing. It's an ongoing effort, and Florida Voices for Health understands that. Along the way, I learned that most lawmakers are not experts on our lives. We are. They're just trying to organize a system they've never had to actually survive in. So our job is to put real faces to their policies, so they understand that every decision they make lands on real people. So if you're on the fence about advocating at the Capitol with Florida Voices for Health, my advice is real simple. Do it. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. You just need a story and be willing to tell it. Because it turns out, your story actually does matter. Especially when you have the right people backing you up.